Alright, I'm here at Mr. Sandoval's house, and what we're going to do is we're going to put a new furnace here. I believe it is a 3-ton furnace. Currently, right now, there's a 4-ton in here, and it's short cycling every chance it gets. It runs for a little bit and then completely shuts off. Runs for a little bit, completely shuts off. So a new properly sized furnace will do that. I'd also like to see if we can help out with this damper problem that we have here. This is the problem that I'd like to see if we could fix as well. So that's what we're looking at. It's pretty much straightforward. I actually got video of it running now. And there's a good example of a classic short cycle. Give me a call if you guys got any questions. Thanks.